have those park benches over there. Yeah. So there's a zoo inside? There's a zoo inside? There's a zoo inside? There's a zoo inside? As I was moving, I felt that the place was really beautiful, and therefore I started walking. I wanted to explore what's inside the park. Therefore, I walked. Let's teleport to another world. There we are, the serene garden, beautiful, and there's a beautiful lake inside, and the trees, everything looks surreal. The reason why I didn't put my voice for such a long time was because I was really not confident. But I don't know, just comment down below if you need voiceovers in my further videos. I didn't want to distract you from enjoying the natural beauty of the landscape by my description, but it was there to be seen, and I thought maybe adding some music to it would really make it more entertaining rather than me giving cumbersome lectures on how the scene looked like. But yeah, I just thought of giving some lecture today where it's all green everywhere. It looks like a Japanese garden as you see in the movies. It felt so beautiful, so green everywhere. We played with some squirrels on the top, giving them some nuts, and there was a whole barrage of squirrels all around.
back you through that. Oh, there's the bison.
Yeah.
They're behind there. Quack, 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 quack.